Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says a die is thrown. The sum of the numbers appearing is observed to be 7. What is the conditional probability that the number 2 has appeared at least once? A 1 by 6, option B 1 by 3, option C 2 by 7 या फिर ऑप्शन डी 3 by 5. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए जो की कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग यूज करेंगे दैट इज कंडीशनल probability. Conditional probability is denoted by probability of A given B and इसका फॉर्मूला होता है probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B, जहां पे A जो है that is the unknown event and B is the known event. So probability of A given B का मतलब है A की probability क्या होगी when we already know the probability for B or B has already happened. So for the given question, A is the event that number 2 has appeared at least once. So at least once 2 occurs or appears. And known event है, it is observed to be 7. So sum of numbers is observed to be 7. So sum of outcomes is 7. ये जो है हमारा known event है. So A के जो एलिमेंट्स होंगे that is at least once. So that will be 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 5, 5, 2, 2, 6, 6, 2 and then finally 2, 2. ये वो इवेंट्स हैं जब 2 at least once appear हो रहा है and event B that is the sum of outcomes is 7. So ऐसे कितने इवेंट्स होंगे? ऐसे इवेंट्स होंगे 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 3. अब हमको फॉर्मूले के अकॉर्डिंग चाहिए A इंटरसेक्शन B. सो A इंटरसेक्शन B हो जाएगा, अब इन दोनों सेट्स में जो कॉमन है दैट इज 2, 5, 5, 2 और वही है B में. सो A इंटरसेक्शन B विल बी 2, 5 and 5, 2. Now probability of A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. So this is equal to number of elements in A intersection B divided by total number of elements whole divided by number of elements in B divided by number of elements. So total number of elements cancel हो जाएगा and what we will get is number of elements in A intersection B divided by number of elements in B. So यहाँ पे number of elements in A intersection B है 2 and number of elements in B है 6. So ये values इस फॉर्मूले में रखेंगे and ये हो जाएगा 2 by 6 which is equal to 1 by 3. So using the key concept of conditional probability, we have found out the probability, the conditional probability that the number 2 has appeared at least once when it is known that the sum of outcomes is 7 is 1 by 3, that is option B. Hope you understood. Good luck.